Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for HelloTalk Pro, full guide step by step clearly. Open the HelloTalk application on your device. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Look for the settings icon, typically represented by a gear or cogwheel. Tap on the settings icon to open the settings menu. Scroll down until you see the option labeled HelloTalk Pro. Select HelloTalk Pro to explore the benefits and features offered with this. You will see a detailed explanation of what HelloTalk Pro includes, such as advanced features and additional learning tools. You will be presented with different subscription plans, including options for monthly, yearly, or lifetime access. Choose the plan that best suits your needs by tapping on it. Next, review the payment details associated with your selection. Make sure your payment method is set up correctly. You may need to enter your payment information if it is not already saved. Confirm your selection and payment information. Once everything is confirmed, tap on the button to finalize your subscription. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your registration for HelloTalk Pro is successful. Explore the enhanced features now available to you as a HelloTalk Pro member. Enjoy utilizing all the new tools and resources to enhance your language learning experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.